sweetie. It's me, your auntie. I'm just gonna slide in through your window, okay? Yeah, your mom. She's being real annoying and she's not answering the door. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna okay. Oh my god, what you touching yourself? What is going on? What are you doing? You're not doing it right. Why is your belly button out like that? It looks weird. I mean, your belly button doesn't. Well, what are you doing? Oh, okay. You scared your auntie for a second there. I thought you were like DJing or something, but I realized it's just your belly button. Why is your belly button out? Why are you just flashing your belly button at people? You're trying to pierce it. Oh. Aren't you like 36 or something? No. Oh, right. That's me, your auntie. But you could never tell because your auntie looks super young and youthful. Right? Like, look at my fur hat. Don't I look like... Do I look British? Do I look like the Redcoats? Hello, my name is Queen Elizabeth III. Why don't you just get it done professionally or something? Because it doesn't look like you're doing a very good job. Oh, yeah. Your mom sucks. Your mom's a loser. Hey, I'll tell you what, sweetie, if I help you, you help me, okay? Do we got a deal? Oh, nothing, Okay, I need your help taking some feet photos for your auntie, okay? She's gonna sell them on Feet Finder. Everyone loves feet and I just got my toesies done. Yeah, your auntie even loves feet. Like, I even buy some pics on them myself. So I figured, if someone like me is buying feet photos, then surely someone is gonna want to buy my feet photos. Do you know anyone? Do you know anyone that would want my feet photos? Anyways, yeah, I'll pierce your belly button and then you take some feet photos for your auntie. Oh, don't even worry about it. I've pierced my own belly button tons of times. I even done it to your mother. She didn't want me to, but I didn't care. Alright, now let me see that belly button of yours. Okay, it's a pretty average looking belly button. Is it clean? Sweetie, you need to clean your belly button, okay? It stinks in there, alright? It smells like something died in there. It smells like my boyfriend's dick. Okay, I'm just gonna clean it first. Should I wear gloves? Do you care about that kind of stuff? You do? Okay, whatever. Liberals. You're so lucky that you have a cool auntie like me. I'm a cool rich auntie, that doesn't have that much money. But whatever. Okay. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah. You're lucky to have a cool auntie. Your auntie's pretty cool. Gonna take this, oh, I ripped it. That's not supposed to happen. Where did you get this cheap piercing kit? From Shein. I knew it. Back in my day, we didn't have Shein. Back in my day, my friends, they had some like older cousins and uncles, and I would go to the trailer park houses and we'd hang out, and then they would give me my piercings. No, they weren't sketchy some not hygienic things before I got here, if you know what I mean. Clean this really thoroughly, you know, gotta get it nice and clean. Good. What piercings do you have? Which one did you want? What do you got? What options you got? Oh, you have a lot. Auntie will pick for you. Auntie knows what's best. Auntie knows what's best for you. Oh, this one is super cute. Can't really see it because of these gloves. This one is really cute. It's like the earth, you know, like there is the stars and the moon, and it represents the earth so perfectly. Look, see, because it's flat. It's flat. Your belly button just fell on the floor. What the fuck? Look, it's like a perfect representation of the. You can't see anything. It's flat. It's flat like the earth. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Oh, we have this one. This one's also real cute. It's like a butterfly. A butterfly. With 3 little gems. Or it could be a flower. And it's black. I've never seen a black belly button ring. Are you emo? Are you emo? Are you in your emo phase? Are you emo? It's okay to be emo. I was once with an emo guy. I've dated a couple of emos in my life. Yeah. You might even know one of them. You know, Johnny Gilbert. John. Is that Jake Weber? I don't know. Yeah, I met him. I matched with him on Tinder. No, it was definitely him. It wasn't no catfish. What is even catfish? Like, I don't like seafood. Are you emo? Don't be emo. Don't do that. Are you okay? Do you need some antidepressants? Because your auntie could get you some. This is cute. Oh, this is cute. It's kind of like the other one, but not emo. You know, it's like. Oh, this is lovely. Wow. Beautiful. It's just like the other ones, but like more extravagant and not pink. But you know what? That's okay. I think you should pick this one. This one I think will make your belly button look the sexiest. And I think that's what you want, right? You want a sexy belly button, or else you wouldn't even be piercing it. You want the most attention drawn to your belly button. You put this one in. Trust me. And Johnny Gilbert will not look. Maybe he will. I guess does he like emo girls? I don't know. Your auntie's not emo. Your auntie, you know what? Your auntie's gonna keep this one because she really likes the message behind it. You're gonna pick this one. Yeah, that's a good choice. Okay, I'm just gonna take these things and I'm gonna shove it in here, okay? You don't need numbing cream, right? Your auntie didn't raise no bitch. Well, your auntie didn't raise you. Your mom might have raised a bitch. Are you a bitch? That's right. This is my niece. Okay, what else do we need? A needle, that's right. Or a piercing gun. Or a real gun. I can't do this, I promise you. Auntie has the cleanest hands, look. Super clean. Your auntie is scared, Loki. Being around needles kind of reminds auntie of her past. What do I do? Right? So, what your auntie is gonna do is she's gonna listen. Now, think you have scoliosis. I put it in wrong. That's crazy. No, I didn't. You're lying. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna take this out. And then we're gonna, and then, yeah, you know. Oh. Yep, we actually are gonna go up. Give your auntie a break. It's been a while since she's done this. And we're gonna push. Okay, and now. Yup. Oh. You didn't think I could do it, but I did it. Let's go. Now you just screw this on top. Okay. Right. Just like that. Ooh, sluttiest belly button in the building. Not really, because I have the sluttiest belly button. Okay, girl. Okay. Love it. Now let's just clean it up. I told you not to do that. Let's just clean this now. Perfect. A little clean. Make sure it doesn't get infected, okay? Yeah, I would recommend salt water. How's that toy that I gave you? You know, is it good? Is it working? Do you like it? Should Auntie get one? Well, honestly, I don't know if Auntie even really wants one because Auntie's a lesbian now. Yeah. I broke up with my boyfriend. I realized he just wasn't shit. And now I'm gay. Well, your auntie's always been gay, you know. Your auntie likes men who look like women. Your belly button looks so good. Your mother is so lame. She doesn't know how to have fun. No, your mother's always been a loser. Yeah, in high school, she was bullied. Yeah, one day she came home from school and she smelled like complete shit. She smelled like garbage. And I asked her when she got home pretty late too. I asked her, did the seniors throw her in the dumpster for freshman Friday? And she told me no. But I know she was lying. She smelled